Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. My name is Robbie Cornelius, and I'm here to help you master your mind and make money online. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how do you properly put money into your LLC. So, all right, let's jump right into the steps. Now, the first step is to review your LLC's operating agreement. The reason why you want to do this is because this document typically outlines when you can make capital contributions, especially when you have partners in your LLC. You definitely want to make sure that you follow these rules to the T. Step 2 will be a good thing to call a meeting with all of the members of your LLC. All right, you want to discuss the capital contribution just to make sure that everybody's on the same page. Because if everybody's not on the same page, that's where problems can come in. Now, let's talk about some of them common mistakes you should avoid. All right, now the first step is failing to document your financial contributions to the LLC. Make sure you always keep records of every time you invest into your company, okay? Then you want to determine the amount you can afford to invest in the company. Now, always remember, every single time you invest money into a company, invest it into the company with the intentions of having that money grow, but also understand the risk, because business is not guaranteed, even when it's your business. So you got to be willing to lose money in order to grow your money. All right, then after that, all you got to do is make the contribution. I mean, deposit the money, invest in the business, invest the capital. Do it. It's your business. It's your dream. It's your vision. Put it in there. But after you put it in there, make sure you update the financial records. Update your LLC balance sheet and make sure that every member's capital account matches their financial contribution. You see, accurate records are essential for the smooth operation of your LLC. The next step you want to do is issue an updated Schedule K1 form. See, this K1 form is going to reflect the amount of money that every single member has invested into the company. You see, this new K1 form is going to reflect what percentage each member owns of that particular company. Then you want to file all your necessary tax documents. And make sure these tax documents pertain every single person's financial contribution. Next thing you want to do is make sure you have a safe place for all your documents. Store your documents in a very organized manner. I mean, keep all your documentations. Even document every single meeting and how many minutes you spent in that meeting. I know that sounds crazy, but it'll help you out along the way. And it goes without saying, make sure that you file all your financial documents, tax forms, etc. And then store those forms in a safe place, because good record keeping is essential for the health of your LLC. After that, it's a good thing to just sit down with your members and then re-entertain your business plan. Go over your business plan. Look at it from different angles. Measure your business plan based on where you started and then where you are right now. Always go back to the drawing board and revisit that business plan. And when it comes to that capital, make sure you take that capital in mind when you're restructuring this business plan, because it might mean that you might need to execute a new strategy. All right, so following these simple tips can help make sure that you invest your finances in your LLC in a way that's going to benefit you and all members of your LLC. For more information just like this, make sure you subscribe, like the channel, and if you want to contact me directly, all you got to do is visit webassetgroup.com. Master your mind to make money online.